Hello, guys, and welcome to class today. We are going to treat uh, a binary system and an aspect of what binary to a decimal. How to convert binary to decimals. Okay, let us get started. And as we say, the head is always big for a reason. So let us quickly get back to class and see what is actually going on. When we are to convert binary numbers to decimals, what we're actually doing is that we are trying to pick numbers from the base 2 numeral into any what number, because any number that we have existing from 1 to trillions, billions, quadrillions, they are all written in what decimals. Something that I've studied mathematics for a little bit longer. I've derived is that what when you are actually converting a binary number to a decimal number, it means that binary number is times 2 raised to a power of that digit. To the layman, there will not be any understanding. So let's get to business. So example 1. Let's take an example here. Let's say when we are writing 110 base 2 to decimals, what we're actually going to do is that we are bringing the number 110 base 2 equals 2 2 raised to a power. Yes, 2 times raised to a power. So what that statement means is that we are actually going to have a 1 times 2 here plus 1 times another 2 here plus 0 times 2. After you writing this, by virtue of their power in positioning, we start from what? 0 till infinity. And so we are going to put our 0 here, 1 here, and 2 here. So we know that in mathematics basics, they say any number exponent 0 is what? Is 1. So I'm going to get my 0 times 1 over here plus 2 exponent 1 is 2. So I have my 1 times 2 over here plus my 1 times 4 here. So 1 times 4 here is 4 plus 1 times 2 here is 2 plus 0 times 1 is 0. So I have 6 here. So as I've gotten this number, I need to actually tell my teacher I know what I'm doing. So I'm going to write it in order not to leave any mark ajar. I need to get the whole mark. I'm going to write it this way: 110 base 2 equals 6. Yes, but don't be funny enough and go and write equals 6 base 10. It's also correct, but we all know that any number is written in base 10. Okay, let's take a second example. So example 2. Let's quickly convert this number 1011 base 2 to decimal. So my 1011 base 2 to decimal is going to be 1 times 2 plus 0 times 2 plus 1 times 2 plus 1 times 2, which is equal to. So by virtue of their power in numbering from the right to the left, we are going to put 0 here, 1, 2, 3. So as I said, 2 exponent 0 will give us 1. So 1 times 1 is 1 plus 2 exponent 1 is 2 times 1 is 2 plus 2 exponent 2 is 4 times 0 is 0 plus 2 exponent 3 is 8. 8 times 1 is 8. So here we are actually going to get 11. To just finish everything straight up, not to leave any mark ajar, then it's going to be 1011 base 2 equals 11. Thanks very much. Kindly forward questions or kindly chat me or inbox me. Let me see whether actually this lecture is really going down. Okay, bye.